So go a little closer over here so we can see the x-rays. So when we look at Ho here, so we got a massive deviation of the lumbar off to the left and then back over to the right and then back over to the left here. But he's had a lot of trauma in his lower thoracic. We had a lifting injury and a laminectomy here. So we're going to pay particular attention at the thoracolumbar junction there, where he's had that laminectomy and that surgery. Also working on the hips as well. So but first we're going to start off with some traction on the lumbar here. Let's come over here. You can go over to that side. Let's scoot up about an inch, buddy. There you go. So abdominal suspension, that's going to take the pressure off the disc already. And I'm feeling for how these muscles are responding and what kind of tone the muscles are in. They should be symmetrical, equal tone on both sides. So we have, this is a lot better than when you started out. My goodness. So the right side was like working like 3 times as hard as balance. Now we're just slight more tone on the right side than the left. So we want equal tone. That's going to tell us that the brain is viewing the spine and the body healthier. So what we're going to be doing is contraction, causing a negative pressure at the level of the discs, opening up those disc spaces so the nutrients get sucked back in to rehydrate and regenerate the discs and the joints. So looking at the x-rays to be as specific as possible, because we're bending into the curves, and that's how we're going to be able to realign and straighten the spine out and change brain function based on the mechanoreceptors in the joint. So when we bend to the side, these muscles should be relaxing, but in his case here, they're actually wanting to work, and they shouldn't be. So we call that abhorrent firing of the muscles. We're going to do some vibration. About 10 cycles a second. That's the rhythm that's going to relax the muscles and the ligaments. Of the vibration is to relax the muscles and the ligaments, but also we're vibrating the inside portion of those curves so we can relax the tissue and the ligaments on that side to aid the body into correcting itself. Alright, cool. Those muscles are starting to get more and more relaxed. Add a couple drops here, causing a deep inflammatory response at the level of the disc, changing the brain's awareness of that body. Because when the brain views and senses that the spine and the discs are healthier, then the brain will tell those muscles to shut off and balance out. This will be a visual release adjustment. You can relax that leg, but if you can. So before, when Ho started, these muscles were just on lockdown to stabilize the spine. You had a lot of surgery here, there's scar tissue. But each adjustment, building off the last one, creates big lasting changes in reversing the arthritis that has been accumulating in it. So that's really cool. That's actually, I mean, how many days have you been here?
This is my second week.
Second week?
Yeah.
That's huge.
Yeah, incredible.
Okay. And all the way from where?
All the way from Melbourne, Australia.
Australia, how cool. Okay, so the left leg's showing up shorter. I knew you were from Australia, I just wanted you to say it on the camera. Alright. Okay. Now, left leg was showing short. That's because of the disc injuries in the pelvis. So I did a cervical challenge test, testing the right C1, the top vertebra on the base of the skull. And now they went back to even. So restoring normal alignment allows these muscles to balance out, the pelvis, everything. Let's have you this side up facing this way. So let's leave his legs straight. We're not twisting or anything. We're just gonna leave you in neutral position. This will be L5. Awesome. When those muscles relax, that's ideal. That's what we're looking for. Let's go on the other side. Okay, this will be the Atlas adjustment C1 toggle. Perfect. This is L1, T12, right where surgery was. Okay. Not on top of it, off to the side, right where we should be contacting. The muscles relaxed, that's perfect. On your back. Okay, so we'll adjust the neck. Not going to be rotating or turning the neck. We're just going to leave it in neutral position. There's about 2 to 4 pounds of pressure to the plane lines of the wrist. Perfect. Alright. When both sides of the muscles are relaxed, that's ideal. We're going to check the place of the skull. Now with you, I can see where the plates are off. You know, the shaved head. Okay. About 2 to 4 seconds. About 4 seconds of pressure on the place of the skull. They'll mold back into alignment and position. That's going to affect nutrients to the brain, circulation. Can also have that effect on
Okay, go this side up.
sinus.
Hang on 1 second. You had that side joint pain, right?
Yes.
Which one is the right one?
And the ear.
Okay, let me just double check.
Perfect. Okay. You felt that? Yeah. Okay. Last one, where I would lift it up and lay it back down with my hand here. Okay, I got you. Alright, a little excited hug up here. Let that air out. Good. Beautiful. So, another thing we're going to be doing is the vibration on the legs here to allow this foot and ankle. Now, we've had some injuries, obviously, in the spinal cord. So that's neurological injury. Forcing these feet are in that hyper-reflexed position, neurologically. So, as we get pressure off the spinal cord and the nerves, that's going to allow these muscles and the nerves to fire normally, and we'll get more dorsiflexion here, but they're kind of locked in that spastic state. So this vibration is going to help this pump action work better. Right at the interosseous membrane. Also adjust the ankle as well. Good. Perfect. Awesome, buddy. Power's on.
Champion. Thank you.
Okay, buddy.